Still using those boring autos in your edits, and your autos do not look like After Effects. So today I gonna provide you CGE said edits like outro on a live motion. The price is 600 likes. Let's check the preview. Here is quick tutorial of how to use it. Open presets and tap on group. The magazine letters link in description. Download your name letters and press on letters. Choose color and fill and replace them with your name letters one by one. Then you can also do same method with green screen. You can add your character green screen, and that is all.